Although RCAT followed the most recent broader market dip, its fanatical followers still see the green in its eyes, particularly as it was just selected among 25 vendors to compete in Phase 1 of the War Department's Drone Dominance Program, a $1.1 billion four-phase initiative to rapidly deploy low-cost, weaponized drones at scale, meaning it will participate in a live military evaluation known as the Gauntlet, beginning February 18th. With up to $150 million in prototype orders expected after testing concludes in early March, laying the runway for the program that's looking to field hundreds of thousands of one-way attack drones by 2027. RCAT's inclusion builds on strong momentum, as shown on January 13th, when RCAT reported preliminary unaudited Q4 2025 revenue of $24 to $26.5 million, compared with $1.3 million in the same quarter the prior year, an increase of roughly 1,842%. Full year 2025 revenue is expected to reach $38 to $41 million, up about 153% year over year. A large part of growth was driven by production under the U.S. Army's Short-Range Reconnaissance Tranche 2 program. Its Black Widow drone entered limited-rate production in late 2025 under a contract now valued at about $35 million, confirming RCAT's transition from development to scaled manufacturing. Its capacity is expanding, doubling aerial drone manufacturing and launching Blue Ops, a maritime division producing uncrewed surface vessels. Like Black Widow production, the Blue Ops division is scaling as it operates a new 155,000 square foot facility capable of producing more than 500 uncrewed surface vessels annually. RCAT also secured international traction, including orders from an Asia-Pacific ally and approval for NATO's procurement catalog, opening European markets. With approximately $212 million in cash and receivables as of September 30, 2025, RCAT appears well capitalized to fund growth without near-term dilution. As a result of all these past, current, and potential future drivers propelling market mania over RCAT, Defiance ETFs has launched the Defiance Daily Target 2x Long RCAT ETF, ticker RCAX. The first leveraged single-stock ETF offering 200% of the daily performance of RCAT. Designed for active traders, RCAX provides short-term bullish exposure to RCAT through an ETF structure, with the explicit objective of doubling RCAT's daily price movements, not long-term returns. So whether you're just a passing observer or a long-time watcher, RCAT is definitely staying red hot. If you like learning about interesting drone and aviation stocks, check out recent uploads. You'll likely find something you like which the algorithm didn't recommend. Also, please like and share this video with your fellow feline and finance friends on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as usual, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.